सिमरन, यू कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड.
Hmm.
हम लोगों को तो वो वी फील दैट वर्ल्ड इटसेल्फ इज अ होक्स स्टोरी.
Yeah, right.
तो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू talk about it?
It is a jadoo ki duniya,
Yes.
as you'd mentioned last time. So I feel like it's a world full of ups and downs. Nothing's very certain. It is an uncertain industry.
आपको क्या लगता है कि जादू की दुनिया में सब पे जादू चलता है या फिर किसी किसी पे चलता है, किसी किसी पे नहीं चलता है, या किसी किसी पे चलाया जाता है?
I feel like the way the industry is, if you're only going to restrict yourself to acting, it might be a very short life. If you're able to feel comfortable in your skin, you're able to own up with your confidence, you're ready for the camera, is what I believe. When I had first played a role, I think back when I was 16, I was an obese girl. Between action and cut is an actress's world. No, it's also between the cut and the next action where her actual world is, playing such a up and down kind of a role. She'd gone for a certain audition, and the director or the person conducting the audition, he kept asking her personal questions more than asking her acting related questions. Instead of asking detailed questions as an actor about her, it was more like about her as a person.
Okay.
And he wanted her to present herself in a certain way to see how it looks on camera. बस जो एक चीज़ जो मुझे अभी भी खनकती है ना मन में, कि ऐसा क्यों है कि when a woman oriented movie is made, the audience only doesn't come and watch it. हमने हीरोइन की डेफिनेशन ही बहुत गलत समझा है. हमें लगता है कि somebody with more screen time is a heroine, and somebody who does not have screen time becomes a supporting actor. But this was never said in any book.
No scripts, no filters, only real voices and raw journeys. Welcome to Journeys with me, where every conversation takes you somewhere new. एक आर्टिस्ट के लाइफ में क्या होता होगा, वो क्या सोचते होंगे, आपको भी जानना है. हमारे साथ है सिमरन संजय, हु इज़ एन एक्टर, डांसर एंड सिंगर, एंड ऑल्सो हु इज़ वन मिस इंडिया सिनेमा क्वीन 2025 अवार्ड. लेट अस सी व्हाट शी इज़ अप टू. हाय सिमरन, कैसी हो आज?
बहुत बढ़िया, आप सुनाओ.
हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक. सो सिमरन, यू कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड. हम लोगों को तो वो वी फील दैट वर्ल्ड इटसेल्फ इज अ होक्स स्टोरी.
Yeah, right.
तो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू talk about it?
About the world.
Yes.
So it
The
is
world you come from, the glamour world.
The glamour world,
Yes.
right. So it is a jadoo ki duniya,
Yes.
as you'd mentioned last time. So I feel like it's a world full of ups and downs. Nothing's very certain. It is an uncertain industry. But at the end of the day, I feel like it's also I connected very spiritually. When I say this, I get a lot of vague reactions from friends, because you can't connect the glamour world with spirituality, is what people say. I feel like, no, I mean, I am more of that person who believes in that what you sow, so shall you reap, that whole concept. So I feel like when you're putting in a lot of effort into something, there is something that is also going to come back to you. There might be its own time frame and everything. This world is something like that.
Okay.
So in the other world, there is a time frame. There is something that is certain. Here, the only thing certain is uncertainty. But that's what makes this world what it is. So it is a glamour world at the end of the day. But it's also a jadoo ki duniya. It's got its own magic. If you believe, it's everything. If you don't believe, it's nothing. It's something like
आपको
that.
क्या लगता है कि जादू की दुनिया में सब पे जादू चलता है या फिर किसी किसी पे चलता है, किसी किसी पे नहीं चलता है, या किसी किसी पे चलाया जाता है?
आई थिंक हर चीज़ नज़रिया की भी होती है इसमें. तो देखने का नज़रिया जो होता है, अगर आपको लगे कि आप पे जादू चल रहा है, तो जादू चल रहा है. द वे वी से मेथड एक्टिंग, इन एक्टिंग, इफ यू बिलीव दैट यू आर दिस कैरेक्टर, you are this character.
Okay, okay.
So I feel like from what I've experienced, not a lot, just a little bit, but whatever it is, I've felt like when I feel like there's magic that's being casted upon me, I feel magical. And if I don't feel that magic within myself, then even if somebody is, poor thing, really trying to help me feel magical, I would not be able to portray that magic because I'm not feeling it from within.
Superb.
So it's like the show must go on, but also as long as you're feeling it from within, the magic is always there. It never goes.
Okay, superb. So tell me how it all started to you. कैसे हुआ, कहाँ से हुआ, कहाँ पहुँच गई हो तुम? तुम्हें did you have any type of vision कि मैं यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँच जाऊँगी यार?
विजन तो अभी भी नहीं था, तब भी नहीं है,
Okay.
कभी रहेगा भी नहीं. आई फील लाइक अगर विजन रखूंगी तो फिर आई वोंट बी एबल टू डू एनीथिंग,
Restrict हो जाता है,
रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाता है,
हाँ।
नहीं तो प्रेशर भी बढ़ जाता है, और अगर दोनों का मिलन हो गया
हाँ,
तो
तो
फिर कुछ और ही हो
गया
जाएगा,
भाड़
बीप
में,
बीप
हाँ।
बीप. So I feel like I mean it started when I was 2 years old. I was very hooked on to this song called Duffly Wale Duffly Baja. I'd keep dancing wherever I'd go. I'd keep dancing on that song.
Okay.
So as time passed, I felt like there had to be some kind of a reason for me to be so hooked on to just one song. Even though it was monotonous, I didn't get bored of it. I would enjoy it. So at the end, I figured that maybe dance was my passion. But when I went into dance, I figured no, expression is my passion. One thing kept leading to another until I realized I just like being in front of the camera.
Okay.
I enjoy connecting, playing a character, acting. This whole thing is my genre. I figured that out when I was 2-3 years old.
Okay.
And at home also it's like a very गाने acting का माहौल, खाना गाना acting यही चलता रहता है.
Okay.
तो सबका support था. तो
Okay.
slowly I'm still figuring my way.
Okay.
But yeah.
So what are you working on right now?
Currently, I'm working on short films,
Okay.
advertisements.
Okay.
I'm looking for films.
Okay.
It's the journey of a seeker. Somebody's still looking around for everything.
Superb.
Yeah.
So I hear that you won Miss India Cinema Queen 2025.
Right.
So what was the thing that was happening here?
In my mind,
Yes.
I think I was overwhelmed. It was a mix of a lot of emotions, a tapestry of emotions, I'd rather say. I've always been very keen on pursuing a career in pageantry as well, because I feel like beauty with a purpose, voicing your opinion for something, speaking, giving a voice to the voiceless, at the same time prioritizing glamour but in a different lens. That blend is something that you don't see everywhere. Pageantry gives you that kind of a platform. So when I figured about the contest, I was excited just to go voice my opinion there.
Wow.
And whatever the outcome was, I'd have been grateful either way. So
Superb.
that's it.
Congratulations on that,
Thank you,
man.
thank you so much.
Awesome. So उसके बाद आपको क्या लगा कि यार मुझे इसमें करना चाहिए? Were you confused like यार मैंने तो ये कर लिया. I won the pageant. So next is what? मैं acting करूँ या फिर modeling करूँ या फिर campaigns join कर लूँ या फिर कुछ और भी करूँ?
करेक्ट, वो तो क्वेश्चन मेरे भी मन में था
हाँ,
कि
क्योंकि
अब
once you accomplish something you feel like oh fine I'm good at this, maybe I should do more of this.
Yeah.
ऐसे आ जाता है ना
True,
दिमाग
true,
में.
true.
तो तुम्हें क्या लगा? Okay.
For me, it was my attraction has always been to the glamour world. It's to, of course, as an actor, that's something I've always wanted to pursue. Acting has been my priority since day one. But modeling, acting, campaign shoots, all of it comes under the glamour world. So that has been something that's got my attention since the first day. I feel like as long as I'm in front of the camera and doing something for a cause, with a good cause, and I'm enjoying what I'm doing, I'm happy. Whether it's acting, whether it's modeling, jo I apply for everything except whatever comes your way. Going with the flow.
Okay.
So anything under the glamour world is what I'm trying to figure out now post the pageant. And yeah.
Superb. So when you see actors, actresses,
Yeah.
so हीरोइन की लाइफ टाइम बहुत कम हो जाती है ना?
हाँ.
It's there, right?
Correct.
So what do you have to tell about it? तो तुम्हें इस भागदौड़ में ऐसे कुछ है या फिर what is the thing that runs in your mind when you think about timeline?
Right. So I feel like regarding timeline जो होता है जो कहते हैं ना कि एक्ट्रेस की लाइफ इज़ वेरी शॉर्ट, वो तो होता ही है. बट अगेन आई फील लाइक द वे द इंडस्ट्री इज, इफ यू आर ओनली गोइंग टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर सेल्फ टू एक्टिंग, it might be a very short life. But then if you get into the depth of the industry, which I personally haven't, I'm only speaking from what I've understood and heard my seniors speak and everything.
Okay.
I feel like it's not only acting. The film industry comes with a lot of things. There's production, there is direction, there is analysis of a lot of things that are happening, you know, on screen, off the screen. There is script writing, there is so much. If you love cinema can never stop loving you. I feel like that. It's like you don't only love cinema for acting, you love cinema for everything that comes with it.
Correct.
It's like loving a person. When you love a person, you don't love the person because he's always smiling. You love him because even when he's crying, you're there
All
to
the
give him
other
a
shades
shoulder.
that you actually
so
love. Yeah.
when you love cinema, if you're loving cinema for all the colors, for negativity, for positivity, for the problems, for the
Absolutely.
controversies, for everything that comes, there's no way your life can be short. It might be short in that part of the industry, but the industry cannot throw you out like that easily. Is what I believe in.
So you have to make your milestone in order to reach there, is it?
True, I'm still searching, looking for little pebbles to put
Yeah.
through my pond and then walk through it and find a way. I'm still somewhere in the middle, but wherever I am, I'm grateful because I know that I've not reached another end of the pond, nor is that my aim. I just know I've come few steps beyond from where I started, and I think that's what keeps me happy and
Okay.
hopeful that I find a way ahead.
Oh, you feel that there's hope. There's always hope in industry.
Yeah,
In the
There's always
industry.
hope within you. The
Okay.
industry is secondary. If you keep hope, you'll find some way. It's what I
Okay.
believe in.
Okay.
So,
So you mean to say that industry में रह के अगर कुछ करना है तो you need not only see acting. तुम्हें और कुछ और भी डिपार्टमेंट्स में एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व रहना है, इंटरेस्ट भी दिखाना है in order to go there work.
right,
ये ना?
right. That could be a way of putting it. Yeah.
Okay, superb. So तुम्हें जब एक्ट्रेस दिमाग में आती है, so what is the image you have in your mind? Because what the stereotype that we have in our minds is एक्टर ऐसे ही रहनी है, एक्टर बहुत प्रिटी रहती है, एक्टर ज़ीरो फिगर रहती है, एक्टर हमेशा खूबसूरत रहती है, हमेशा ऑलवेज रेडी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, ऐसी रहती है, वैसी रहती है. हम लोग यही सोचते हैं कि यार एक्ट्रेसेस की दुनिया कैसी होती होगी, कितने मेकअप आर्टिस्ट रहते होंगे, कितने हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट रहते होंगे. तो आपको क्या लगता है, ये सच्चाई क्या है?
Sachai is, again, fitness is a choice. It's not like it's mandatory for an actress to be fit. There are so many actresses of different body shapes. At the end of the day, if you're able to feel comfortable in your skin, you're able to own up with your confidence, you're ready for the camera is what I believe. When I had first played a role, I think back when I was 16, I was an obese girl. And I felt like initially, yes, I was made to feel a certain way by by people around me. But I think that's normal because I was comfortable in my skin. Later, I chose to become get into shape. That was also a personal choice. It was not because I felt where I wasn't good or where I could be will be better. No. So the world of an actress also, it's another job. It's another profession. She is playing a certain character over here, and then the next minute she's playing a certain character in another place. So her mind, I feel, is full of playing different characters. At the same time, she needs to maintain her mind balance in all this. If she's not mentally stable, when I say mentally stable, of course, I mean it in a metaphorical way, not in the literal way.
Yes.
But if she's mentally
We all
stable,
go through that phase, but still you have to maintain that kind of stability in front of the camera.
True.
Put yourself out there and do the job. Come back. फिर से आने के बाद रोना शुरू करो.
True.
जब तक कैमरा के सामने हो, नहीं, nothing will happen. Everything will be straight. Everything will be clean, clear and perfect.
True.
Right.
जो एक ही जो कंसेप्शन है ना लोगों के मन में कि एक एक्ट्रेस क्या होती है, between action and cut is an actress's world. No, it's also between the cut and the next action where her actual world is, playing such a up and down kind of a role. So I feel like that's about it.
Super.
Yeah.
So let us talk about the challenges now.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Okay.
The elephant in the room.
Okay. You got it then. So what did you face? कुछ हुआ? कुछ क्या हुआ? How did you feel? क्या सोच के आए थे? क्या हो गया? ऐसे कुछ हुआ तुम्हारे साथ?
I mean, सोच के आए थे तो I'm still a fresher, so सोच के ही आई हूँ अभी भी. Yeah, so I'm still figuring my way out. Regarding challenges in general, I think one of it I had to face, as I mentioned previously, when I was 16 years old. Because I was getting roles, but again, the way I would be made to feel about getting that role because of having that kind of an obese body made me feel like, I mean, am I wrong for trying to like the camera for who I am? Am I wrong for being, comfortable in my own skin? Is that a question that I should be asking myself? That led me to a lot of overthinking. And I think overthinking is normal, but that kind of put a hurdle through, between my confidence and, certain roles that I thought I could bag even without having a certain kind of body type.
पर तब तो आप बहुत यंग थे.
True.
एंड कैसे उसको परसीव करना है वो भी तो चैलेंज है.
Correct.
है ना?
Correct. That is that. So it's the way, it comes with a lot of judgment as well, I think. Even in the world we live in today, I feel like people are very supportive, which is a very good thing. But there's always another side to the coin, like they say. So there's another side to the coin here as well. When you're auditioning for a role, if you're auditioning only because you feel like I'm going to bag it, it's really really not going to work. I still remember not. I mean, you keep getting rejected. It's like in between all those rejections, there's that one role that's
Oh,
waiting
okay.
for you. So that is one challenge that you might keep coming up, to be able to stay calm and patient. Patience. I think if you don't have, it's very very tough to.
And also accept the rejection.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
That,
yeah,
that
yeah.
you never should be low because I got rejected for one role.
True.
Right. That
True.
yeah. I think many of us get filtered out there itself.
Correct.
Yeah,
Correct.
I am pretty sure कि सारे actresses बहुत strong होते हैं mentally.
Yeah, बनना
Because
पड़ता है.
हाँ,
that is
ये
how it
सारे
is.
चीज़, ये सारे hurdles ही तो है. ये
हाँ.
सबको तुम्हें क्रॉस करके तुम्हारे रोल तक तुम्हें जाना है, तो
Correct.
it's difficult, right?
True, it is.
It's
it
very
is. I
difficult.
still remember, I mean, the little girl, little Simran who got rejected for her first role,
Oh.
which I had ever applied for. I think I cried for weeks.
Oh.
Like that typical cinematic
Yes,
way,
yes.
where the girl's putting her head on her pillow and then, she has her hair
Crying.
open. Yeah, crying. मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा रह गया रिफत भी.
Oh.
The कुछ होता है dialogue.
Okay.
That was with me in my first role. And then later when you start getting rejected for everything, almost everything that you apply, your mind just gets used to it. You just tell
ठीक है यार,
yourself, हाँ,
चलते हैं,
चलता है, यही है.
कोई नहीं हम लोग फिर कर
बस
लेंगे.
हाँ, यही है, कभी ना कभी होना ही है. तो just stay patient and stay in the route. So I think acceptance, patient, and more importantly, I think not expecting anything from the industry will actually keep you more calm. If you're going to enter with a certain mindset, कि I am doing this, I'm going to do this, इस साल में ये होना, it's good to have an aim. I'm not saying don't have an aim. Out of personal experiences, I feel like if you enter without anything in mind, you're just happy with everything coming your way.
Correct.
Better than
Yes,
going
yes.
with something.
कुछ
कि
भी
ये
आ
ही
गया तो
चाहिए.
it's a prize only, right?
It's always a
Yeah,
prize. It's always
right.
like that.
Yes, superb.
So yeah, these are a few things.
this, yeah, let's talk the real challenges.
Like
Are you comfortable talking about casting couch and nepotism?
sure. I mean, from what I understand, especially about casting couch, I feel like it is there. It's not like it's not there. For I mean, of course, breaking the bubble, everybody knows casting couch is there.
Yes.
And I think it's about how we take it. It's about how careful you are. It's about how trusting authentic sources as well. When there's a casting call happening, if you know the source, it's better than just going without understanding where the call is coming from. Have you applied for the role? Is that why they've got back to you? Because numbers will circulate. We're in an industry where if we are applying for a certain role, that number, your particular number, will circulate with different directors. That's how it works. It's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. However, it's not like it's going to circulate to all the right people. With good comes
right.
bad.
Yes,
So
yes.
casting couch is there. It's about how carefully we go. I remember even now back at acting school when we were learning acting, we were told by so many of our faculty members that if you're going for an audition, go in groups. But we were very young. We didn't know why they said that. Later we understood that okay, it's about it's about little things that people have experienced in the past. It's not like where we went that place was bad. No, but it's about avoiding risk. So
it's
हमारे
about
यहाँ से
they have created that kind of awareness to you and your
Yeah.
group, that go in group and
Yeah.
discuss whatever happens.
discuss whatever happens. Know where you are, understand the place.
Ah.
Is this place always used for conducting auditions, or are you suddenly called?
Okay.
On the call also, if they're asking you to share certain details, are they asking a detail that's below the belt or going a little more ahead of what
Okay.
you consider as your limitation?
Okay.
If you're able to handle that, there's no room only for casting couch. Personally, I mean, I haven't experienced it, but I have heard from my co-actors and friends who've experienced casting couch, and they say the same thing, that they were not aware of where they were going or who was this particular source. They just said audition tha, to jaake dekh lenge. And later, it's not like it's a bad place. There was an audition, but it leads to more questions ahead. So there is casting couch. It's about how careful we are from our end that can avoid a situation from
Can you quote
spiraling.
any instances कि क्या हुआ था exactly?
I mean, I don't have any detailed instance, but from what I know, she'd gone for a certain audition, and the director or the person conducting the audition, he kept asking her personal questions more than asking her acting related questions. Instead of asking detailed questions as an actor about her, it was more like about her as a person.
Okay.
And he wanted her to present herself in a certain way to see how it looks on camera. So these kind of detail, these kind of...
So this doesn't happen in a routine...
No, it doesn't happen on a routine. It's about how careful you are about sources. It happens somewhere around the world where we all know.
Okay.
But authenticity, if you have, it's always better to go then for an audition or for anything in general. So that is there.
So after things being social, like social media and other exposures, I think
think, yeah.
this has come down or
Correct,
something,
correct.
because
Somewhere I feel.
yeah, people are aware and they know what is happening and they
Yeah,
know whom
true.
to approach if something
True, true.
happens. Okay, there is awareness about this.
Yeah.
Okay, and they simply can't get along with it.
No, they simply can't get along. I think moreover from what I feel regarding casting couch, a lot of spamsters also who have no connection only with the industry, but they quote themselves to be from the industry.
Oh,
That
okay.
is the real, according to me personally, I feel that's the real root of casting couch. It's
Okay.
not like somebody from the industry is always plotting against you. It's always somebody who has nothing to do, but they know how everything works. They have an eye for detail. They've observed the whole process.
ऐसे जैसे कॉल्स आते हैं बैंक से,
Yeah, yes, it's the same
CVV
thing.
नंबर दे दो,
हाँ.
OTP भेज दो.
बस तो वहाँ पे it's like that and यहाँ पे it's like this. So
Okay.
it's like somebody's understood the entire process. They must have themselves maybe experienced it or done some research. After figuring out कि अच्छा ऐसे होता है, they've decided कि ठीक है चलो हम भी try करेंगे. We'll come up with a name that sounds authentic enough. So these things are very common. It's like as you said, a bank fraud. Similarly, it's an audition fraud. Maybe we'd call it that way.
Superb. So एक प्रेशर तो बनी रहती है यार फिट इन होने की,
हाँ.
है ना?
बनी
क्या
तो रहती
होती है ये, क्यों हमें वहाँ पे जाके फिट इन होना है? वाई कांट वी बी आवरसेल्व्स? तो ऐसे क्या चीज़ हो जाती है, कौन ये स्टैंडर्ड सेट करता है कि भाई तुम्हें ऐसे ही रहना है, यहाँ पे आने के बाद यही करना है, ऐसे ही रहना है? तो ये कौन सेट करता है?
राइट. तो मैं तो बहुत जूनियर हूँ बोलने के लिए बिकॉज मैं नहीं पहुंची वहाँ तक फिट इन.
नहीं, ये तो क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आता ही होगा ना.
आता तो होगा कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फिट इन. जितना मुझे लगता है एज अ जूनियर आर्टिस्ट और व्हाटएवर लाइक कि फिट इन क्या हो सकता है. तो आई फील लाइक by fit in they probably just mean being very very comfortable within yourself, if you can unapologetically be you, because I am pretty sure that the industry we're planning to belong to, there's a lot of judgment that comes if you're a certain way, and if let's say the audience reacts a certain way or something like that, you would think of changing yourself. तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाती है, your individuality is not maintained. individuality थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे हो जाती है. अगर आप अपने individuality को stick करते हो, आप जो हो उसमें unapologetically comfortably रहते हो, तो फिर फिट इन आप हो ही जाओगे बिकॉज वो आप हो.
No, I feel this is little contradicting when you talk about actresses like कंगना रनावत हो गई या रेखा जी हो गई. They are being themselves. No?
They are being themselves.
They are being called out every now and then.
Correct. But I think it's also how they take it. It's the way when you see the way they respond. I think they respond in such a they respond very exemplarily. They have a certain
वो बोलते हैं या मुझे ऐसे हुआ था एंड दे सडनली दे हैव अ टैग ऑफ इन दिमागी हालत ठीक नहीं है इनकी, इनको कुछ हो गया है, ये ऐसे ही बोलती रहेंगी. वो ट्रोल बन जाती है या कुछ और ही हो जाती है उनकी यार. तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है कि बाकी लोगों को तो होता होगा ना इंडिविजुअलिटी, तो उनको अपने हिसाब से दिखाना होता है कि ऐसे मैं हूँ. तो ऐसे तो मैं किसी को नहीं देखती हूँ. सभी हंसते हैं, सभी आते हैं, सभी बोलते हैं, सभी प्रमोशंस दे के भाग जाते हैं.
True.
है कि नहीं?
आप सबके अपनी अपनी स्टोरी होती है.
किसी को तो बोलना चाहिए ना कि भाई हम लोग ये शूट कर रहे थे, बारिश हो गई, हमें प्रॉब्लम हुई थी. ये चीज तो कभी नहीं आती.
नहीं, वही तो पर्सनालिटी पे भी तो डिपेंड होता है ना. सम पीपल जिनका लेट्स से अगर किसी को कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, सम पीपल आर वोकल अबाउट इट, सम पीपल आर नॉट वोकल अबाउट इट. बट आई थिंक अगेन एज लॉन्ग एज इट्स अ पर्सनल चॉइस एंड यू आर नॉट बीइंग फोर्स्ड टू स्पीक अ सर्टेन वे, इट्स नॉट एन इशू.
एंड देयर इज नेवर दिस स्वॉर्ड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन हाउस छूट जाएगी, ये डायरेक्टर मुझसे नाराज़ हो जाएंगे अगर मैं कुछ बोलूँगी इस मूवी के बारे में या किसी और एक्टर के बारे में बोलूँगी. तो अगर कुछ हो गया तो वो चीज़ नहीं रहेगी क्या? डर तो बनी रहती है.
डर तो हर जगह बनी रहनी चाहिए भी. बिकॉज अभी कैसे है कि अगर हम कुछ बोल देते हैं किसी के खिलाफ, लेट्स कीप द इंडस्ट्री ओनली आउट ऑफ पिक्चर. इफ आई से समथिंग अगेंस्ट समबडी, दे फील बैड, इट्स ऑफ कोर्स गोइंग टू लीड टू अनदर होल एपिसोड. So same thing applies even in the industry. If I'm going to say something against someone, they also have emotions. They are not going to take it. I would not take it rightly if somebody spoke wrong about me. I'd feel bad. I'd say I'm working with you and then आप ही बाहर जाके मेरा नाम खराब कर रहे हो किसी ऐसी चीज़ के लिए जो मैंने किया भी नहीं होगा शायद. तो वो चीज़ अगर हो जाती है तो किसी की भी मतलब ये मेंटेन हो जाती है. तो as long as you're maintaining your healthy relationship with everyone, डायरेक्टर हो, प्रोड्यूसर हो, फ्रेंड हो, ब्रदर हो, सिस्टर, जिसके साथ भी हो, अगर आप हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप मेंटेन करते हो तो उसका आउटकम भी हेल्दी रहता है. अगर आप गलत बोलते हो तो फिर वो गलत फहमी बन जाती है और वहाँ पे और ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है.
Correct. Yes.
So it's like that. To avoid conflicts, we all speak a certain way. It's not just the industry. I think all of us, and I think you'd agree with me on this.
Absolutely.
So yeah.
Awesome. So आप बोलती हो कि let us keep it little shallow when it comes to work. ज़्यादा पर्सनल चीज़ों को उनको नहीं बताना चाहिए या उनको भी हमें नहीं पूछना चाहिए.
हाँ, I mean,
जितना
at
वर्क
least,
है उतना रहेंगे हम लोग.
हाँ, that is my मतलब my own usul on myself. मतलब मैं ऐसे नहीं कि I'm pressurizing somebody else to do it. But for me, yes, I feel like for the person I am, I like to keep it very subtle. I like to just stick to work, focus on work, finish work, come back home. So that way I feel like you're also sticking to your work. You're able to balance your work in life and work-life balance जो होती है corporate में वही होता है यहाँ
वही
पे
होता
भी.
है. हाँ.
तो बस I like
Same
I,
चीज़.
for, I mean for Simran it's like this. I like to keep it like that.
Superb.
But yeah,
Superb. And let's talk about male dominance.
right.
क्योंकि 60 साल 70 साल 80 साल दे आर ऑल द एक्टर्स हु आर जस्ट हीरोज देमसेल्व्स. वही हीरोज़ है, वही मूवी बना रहे हैं, वो हीरो सदियों से हैं, हम लोग देखते आ रहे हैं. किसी का नाम अगर बोलेंगे तो ये हीरो ही है भाई, ये कोई और एक्टर बन ही नहीं सकता, ये तो हीरो है, बस हीरो. तो व्हाट हैपेंस टू हीरोइंस?
आई फील लाइक अभी बदल रहा है, अभी जाके थोड़े दिन इतने सालों बाद अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा तो प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है जितना आई कैन सी. आई लव द वे पीपल रिस्पॉन्डेड टू लापता लेडीज. आई थिंक दैट स्पोक
Amazing.
वॉल्यूम्स. आई वाज अ पर्सनल फैन. आई रियली लव्ड
Yes,
इट.
yes.
आई लव द रिएक्शन फॉर गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी. आई
yes,
थिंक दैट
yes.
वाज अमेजिंग. एंड सिमिलरली मेनी मोर मूवीज ऐसा, आई मीन दैट आई कुड थिंक ऑफ. पर अगेन पहले पहले जो होता था कि इट वाज ओनली अ मेल डोमिनेटेड इंडस्ट्री. ट्रू इन अ वे देयर इट वाज लाइक दैट. एंड आई थिंक so many stars who've done it as well have spoken about it. Ki it was, I think some people spoke about how it comes with a lot of market value. Movies were made considering ki this particular star can bring these many audiences back. So it's a business at the end of the day. So I think that is what was considered before. अब जाके I think times are changing. बस जो एक चीज़ जो मुझे अभी भी खनकती है ना मन में कि ऐसा क्यों है कि when a woman oriented movie is made, the audience only doesn't come and watch it. जितना मैंने देखा है, it's on us also as an audience. I'm speaking on audience perspective. इतना अच्छा मूवी बनता है लेकिन फिर भी लोगों का जो रिस्पॉन्स होता है, it is still in that mindset. तो कहीं ना कहीं even people making that film is not wrong ना. जो
Yes.
audience respond कर रही है
Yes.
उसी के basis पे तो film बन रहा है. अभी गुंजन सक्सेना was a very nice movie.
Yes.
Of course it ran well as well, but I feel like it could have done better if you ask me as a personal audience. Millie, a
Yes,
movie of
yes.
Janvi, it was a wonderful movie. It was led by a female.
Yes.
It had a very good message. It had a very good concept. But again, when I speak to a few friends, half of them don't even know the name. मतलब नाम मिली कि कौन सा मूवी है पूछते हैं. तो it's a woman oriented movie. Why are we not supporting?
Yes.
And it's not about women supporting other women. It's I think about opening our mind now as an audience as well
Yeah.
to accept both male and women oriented movies.
Okay.
So it's also on the audience. I'm not blaming anybody here. I'm saying all of us together, if we come to a decision where we accept everything that's coming, content is accepted openly, then any movie will run if it's accepted well. So I think on that basis, I feel. But हाँ, male dominance जो रहा है, I think थोड़ा अभी कम हो रहा है. I'm hoping कि आगे जाके और कम हो. पूरा नहीं हुआ है, but I'm hoping कि it comes to a place where everything's balanced. A good balance is a good for everything. So,
Awesome. You spoke really well.
thank you.
Nice insights. Thank you for that. So let's talk about other things other than the challenges themselves. Let's come to a little bit of reality. हम लोगों को डिग्री करना होता है, फिर उसके बाद जॉब ढूंढना होता है, फिर उसके बाद फैमिली, वो सब. These are the basic things that we all have in our minds. तो do you think acting ऐसे एक करियर जैसे हम ले सकते हैं?
So
Full time.
full-time career though it's difficult to say because even at home everybody supports, but I'll be honest, I'm doing my MBA right now. On the side by side I'm also doing my acting. I'm trying to figure where I stand as an actor. So it is an uncertain industry. You can't just enter saying हाँ full time करना है, full time हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. आपको अगर एक बैकअप हो आपके माइंड में तो शायद ये आगे जा सकता है. या इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग टू बी मैसिवली क्रेजीली पैशनेट अबाउट समथिंग. सो एम आई. बट along with that also comes a little extra worry. I don't have a direct link, and even if you do have a direct link, it depends on you as an actor. It depends on the talent you have as an actor.
When you say direct link, what is it?
I mean, what I mean is, I don't have a direct free entry path, a direct link, or a direct contract which will take me into that and give me 10, 20 more contracts. I think nobody has that kind of a direct link. It depends on you as an actor, but how talented you are at the end of the day. But even if I personally believe, even if you do get a first break, a second break, you can't say that you would sustain into the industry so long ki there is no backup plan at all. So it's always better to have a degree, or it's always better to have a backup plan. I'm not saying degree is everything, but having a backup plan, knowing what you do with your life if things go haywire on the other side, is what matters as well.
Okay.
So definitely never enter completely. Don't enter the pool when you don't know swimming completely. It's like that. I don't know that kind of swimming in the industry yet. I'm still learning. So I'm still doing my MBA on the side.
अच्छा है.
So
Okay, super.
that
So yeah, you do your MBA and then
yeah.
super. So do you have any pressure, peer pressure? Like मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने तो अच्छा, इनके पास तो अच्छी जॉब है, इनको तो फिक्स्ड सैलरी मिल रही है यार, ये यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हैं फिर भी इनको सैलरी मिलते हैं. फिर आई एम डूइंग ऑल नाइट शिफ्ट, मुझे सुबह जाना होता है, रात को भी जाना होता है, मुझे जब कॉल शीट आता है तब जाना होता है. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर. और how do you enjoy life when you're so busy?
I think what I'm doing is what I love. So I'm enjoying my life at this very
Super.
moment.
Okay.
I swear to God, I'm not even joking.
Yeah.
I love those night shifts. I love those day shifts. That is what I get up for. मैं उठती हूँ कि वो आज शूट है, चलो जाएंगे, आज कॉल शीट है, चलो जाएंगे. मजे, मतलब जो चाहिए था ना, जो सोच रही थी जब मैं फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड साइड में थी कि ओके दिस इज हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी. आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई हैव कंप्लीटली अचीव्ड इट, बट एटलीस्ट 0.1% स्टार्ट हुआ है. तो वही टू सी दोज थिंग्स दैट व्हाट आई डिडंट इवन थिंक आई विल डू 1 year back, I'm doing right now. I'm that happy about it.
Super.
So that is one thing. I'm enjoying my life already. हाँ, peer pressure रहता है, won't lie about it. कभी कभी लगता है कि ये insecurity जो पहले पहले था ना कि will I even be able to sustain? Can I make it? Can I not make it? वो तो at this very moment also I do think. But the way I handle it is by letting my mind go through it. Initially I used to really struggle. I used to say ऐसे thoughts आ ही क्यों रहे? Thoughts को निकालो. Until I finally realized कि thoughts को निकाल के thoughts वापस ही आना है. अगर thoughts को dissolve होने दोगे तो कहीं ना कहीं से वो अपने आप ही निकल जाएगा.
Correct.
So it's like they say it takes two to tango. But I feel this is that kind of a game where if you let this one thing dissolve in you, accept it first. कि हाँ ठीक है, I'm feeling insecure. लग रहा है मुझे insecure. I'm not able to handle it. I'm overthinking. React to it. Cry. Journal. Write. Listen to music. I listen to Kun Faya Kun. I think it's this thing. I think it's a Gen Z thing if you ask me. Kun Faya Kun is like therapy for all of us. And it's therapy for me as well. So I think that just calms me down. Music calms me down. And I'm fine again. So होता है, इनसिक्योरिटी होती है, उसको टैकल करके हम फिर से आगे बढ़ना है. तो बस वही.
सो सिमरन, जेन ज़ीज़ की बात करेंगे. तो इनको सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी होना होता है. इनको जल्दी इंडस्ट्री में जाना होता है, जल्दी एक्टर बन जाना होता है, जल्दी हीरोइन बन जाना होता है. कोई फिल्म अगर हिट भी ना हो तो हिट करा देंगे भाई, करा दो, कर दो, बस मूवी बना दो, बस ये होता है ना चीज़. उनके दिमाग में ये चलता रहता है कि एवरीथिंग शुड बी फास्ट, क्विकर, बिकॉज देव सीन रील्स.
या वी आर इन द रील
Real world.
रील के शिकार बन गए हम सब लोग. वी डोंट लिसन.
अल्ट्रा शॉर्ट्स.
हाँ, जो 15 सेकंड में होगा नहीं तो दफा हो जाए.
नहीं,
वो
हाँ,
reaction आ रहा है.
किसी के लाइफ में कोई लॉटरी लग रही है तो मेरी भी लगनी चाहिए बस.
हाँ, बस वो तो होता है. बट आई थिंक सारे जेंजीज के साथ तो ऐसे नहीं. आई मीन आई एम अ जेंजी माई सेल्फ.
No, I think you're very, you're not so Gen Z. That's what I feel. You're very slow that way.
बहुत सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि you're a baby bloomer. You're from पता नहीं कौन से इसमें. My friends tease me. They're like, you're this 22-year-old girl, but with the mind of a 90-year-old. I don't know. I take it very well, though. I like that compliment.
Yeah.
But again, I also know a lot of my friends who are Gen Z, but they don't have that kind of an approach. Of course, if you look at it statistically, then I think 70-80% of the people are very impatient when you look at it generation-wise.
जल्दी हो जाना है.
जल्दी
बस
हो
यार,
जाना है. तो वो तो होता है. But I think eventually they say time will tell. So I think when you experience what you experience, you'll realize कि नहीं भाई, चलो patience की लाइन में लग जाएंगे. Impatience की लाइन में लगते लगते हमारी patience कट गई. असली वाले patience पे focus करना है. तो वो तो होगा. But I think with time.
Okay. So in your world, will it take time, or is it random, or is it by luck, or overnight success? What happens?
I personally don't believe in overnight success. There is nothing called overnight success. Because my mom's always told me anything that comes soon goes away soon. So you never want it to be overnight. If it's overnight, it's not right. Either you're wrong or it's not authentic. It's like that.
Okay.
So I mean, I'm like this mama's girl. I keep listening to what mama says. So she's always told me, she's like, if there are two ladders and they ask you to, this one will take you to the first floor, that one will take you to the second floor, don't take the ladder at all.
Okay.
Build your own ladder, climb that ladder, because that's your ladder, that's more authentic. No matter whose ladder you're climbing, it doesn't make sense. You can't measure your own worth using somebody else's ruler. It will never give you your authenticity. So I feel like there is nothing like overnight success. And always better to go step by step. It's always better that way. The foundation is more stronger. So,
Okay.
yeah.
तो ये भी एक चीज़ है कि आपके इंडस्ट्री में अगर कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं,
हाँ.
अगर किसी के साथ अच्छे रिश्ते हैं, and you come from certain background also matters, right?
I don't really think so. Of course, if nepotism is what we're addressing, then I feel like nepotism exists everywhere now. Personally, this is my opinions. हर जगह nepotism होती है. अगर मेडिकल इंडस्ट्री में देखो तो होता है, एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री में देखो होता है, एक्टिंग इंडस्ट्री में भी अगर होता है तो भी everything also comes with a lot of hard work at the end of the day. सबका struggle रहता ही है, मुझे लगता है. So if you're also coming, if you're getting, maybe you get the break faster. If you have connection, you might get your first step faster. But at the end of the day, it's also the talent, it's the hard work, it's the effort that you put in, which the audience will see and connect with.
That's
And if they do connect with, and then of course, then what you've got is worth it, because you've put that effort to get that applause in the end of the day. But it's not necessary that only if you have a connection you can become a star. I don't think so. I think today where we stay in Sandalwood, in Bollywood, in Mollywood, in Tollywood, everywhere, I think there are people who are self-made stars as well, who've come from nowhere and then they've come to make such a strong foundation that when you look at them you feel like, wow, I mean, I'm inspired. And the same goes even with somebody who's come through a contact or a link. They came, they got their first step, but the way they conquered after that, as an audience, even we have accepted them because we've seen that kind of hard work. So however you get your first break, if you're putting the next step on your own, if you're able to convince the person in front of you कि हाँ मैं जो कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ उसमें है, मेरा खुद का एफर्ट है, सब लोग दिल खोल के आपको वेलकम करेंगे ही करेंगे. हमने किया एज ऑडियंस, यू मी, कितनों को किया है, बिकॉज हमने देखा है कि नहीं इसने सच में मेहनत किया है. तो आई फील लाइक इट्स ऑन मेहनत, इट्स मोर ऑन एफर्ट्स, इट्स मोर ऑन योर डेडिकेशन एंड योर नेवर गिव अप एटीट्यूड कि अगेन थिंग्स आर गोइंग हंकी डोरी, ग्रेट, नॉट गोइंग हंकी डोरी, ग्रेट. इफ यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ एन अप्रोच, आई थिंक नेपोटिज्म हो ना हो आप तो रहोगे, वो तो होगा ही.
Okay, superb. So, तुम क्या कहना चाहोगी अगर कोई बोल रहा है तुमसे कि यार एक्टिंग भी कोई करियर है?
हाँ, बहुत लोगों ने बोला बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि अच्छा एक्टिंग तो करते हो, लेकिन करते क्या
हो?
मैंने भाई एक्टिंग ही करती हूँ, नहीं लेकिन मतलब फाइनली क्या करते हो, फाइनली यही करना है. तो हाँ, वो तो होता है. पहले गुस्सा आता था, बाद में आई अंडरस्टूड कि वी स्टिल नीड टू एक्सेप्ट एज एन ऑडियंस, यू कांट complain anymore. I was really upset initially because I used to do modeling and then somebody would ask what would you do for a living. I said I'm studying and I'm doing modeling. हाँ, but like for a living what are you doing? That question that comes from, कभी मुझे लगता है कि यही तो है living, ये भी तो है अपना industry. So it's not accepted yet. I've seen that in a lot of places, but I think it's okay. With time people will eventually accept you. I've accepted myself, so I'm happy where I am. That's more important.
Superb. So I'll give you an instance, ठीक है? एक बच्ची आती है, शी इज़ 18-19 ईयर ओल्ड, अभी उसको इस दुनिया में आना है, अभी कुछ करना है यार, उसको कुछ भी नहीं पता, ज़ीरो बैकग्राउंड, ज़ीरो कनेक्शंस, बट शी इज़ वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट what people are doing, what she's seeing, what people are actually doing and what people are actually achieving. तो आपके पास आती है, तो how should she start this?
I think networking is very important in this industry. आप कहीं पे भी जाओ, whether it's any kind of a shoot, network with people.
नहीं, पहले तो शूट पे जाना है.
हाँ.
How do we get there?
Okay, that
so,
way.
Yeah, what are the criterias that she needs to have? Where should she go? What should she actually do in order to at least reach one step ahead? Like एक step, one step at a time बोलते हैं ना वो.
Correct. Yeah. So I think in this industry having a portfolio is very important. So I'd recommend her to, first create her portfolio. Who are you? Show your profiles, your pictures. It is important, not just because of how you look, but because does this face match the character the director or the writer has in mind. So for that basis, first create your portfolio, create your entire intro, everything. Have those things ready with you. And then I think in today's time, the best invention, if you ask me, for actors is social media. Everything is out there. Casting calls, casting pages, people looking for auditions, open auditions, home auditions, everything is available. Follow those pages, network with those pages through your social media. Share your pictures when you're asked for them from the authentic source. If that is done, baki ka depends on luck, Bhagwan ji. And of course, if your face matches that character. Eventually, when you do get your first shoot, start networking. Networking is so important. I can't even begin from how. Because any industry, whether you look at, but since we're talking about acting, in acting industry, तो networking is like a stamp वाला important, that important. थप्पा लगवा लो कि अगर आपने networking किया, कहीं ना कहीं वो networking वापस आता ही है. कुछ भी शूट हो, कोई भी प्रिंट शूट हो, कैंपेन शूट हो, एडवर्टाइजमेंट हो, बिल्ड योर कॉन्टैक्ट, शेयर योर कॉन्टैक्ट्स. कहीं कल कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, आपको बुलाएंगे, कहीं आपको कोई रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, आपको उनकी याद आएगी. तो इट गोज लाइक दैट, हैंड इन हैंड चलता है.
Okay.
अगर ये चीज़ें करेंगे तो शायद होपफुली शी विल गेट हर ब्रेक एंड शी विल बी एबल टू गो अहेड.
Super.
Like I'm still looking for mine, but I started off like this, so I'm just saying.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll give you same instance.
Yeah.
Here I'm talking about a 45-year-old female, and she suddenly has this urge to. Actually, मैं ना कॉलेज में अच्छी एक्टिंग कर लेती थी यार. मैं डांसिंग भी ठीक ठाक ही कर लेती हूँ, सिंगिंग भी कर लेती हूँ. तो कुछ तो होगा अगर मैं जाऊँगी, कुछ तो होगा. ये मेंटालिटी लेके चलती है वो बंदी. तो what happens to her?
45-year-old.
How
हाँ.
should she start?
Same way. Because
Start from the
yeah,
scratch.
start from scratch.
Yeah.
Always, wherever, it's never too late to start. In fact, I think, of course, I know it's not immediately related to acting, but yesterday or day before yesterday, I posted about this person. I forget her name. I think it was Mariette McFerry. She's 90 years old and she just got her degree in English literature.
Wow.
And when I saw that, I
We
was
have
so-
exceptional women.
yeah, exceptional woman. I was inspired. I said, if a 90-year-old woman can pursue her degree, why are anybody from any age group complaining that we are old? Nobody is old enough.
Yes.
So
Okay.
even if you're 45, if you start from scratch and if you're really passionate about it, you'll find your role.
वो तो डिग्री है यार, ये तो एक्टिंग है.
डिग्री भी हो जाएगा, एक्टिंग भी हो जाएगा, दोनों.
यहाँ पे कौन सी एक्टर 50 ईयर की है?
अरे नहीं, कितने सारे रोल्स है. टेल मी, हाउ वुड अ मूवी.
You mean to say she has to forget about being an actor as heroine and then maybe कुछ और मिल जाएगा, कोई और मिल जाएगा
Not
रोल.
necessarily. Even movies which are made nowadays can be made even on a 45-year-old woman. It's not only about the age, it's also about how your face matches with that character. For example, take any movie which is a super hit, your personal favorite movie. Can that movie be a movie if all the characters were not involved? And are all the characters 20, 25? No.
Super.
For example, my personal favorite, I love Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. But in that movie, I see there are so many people from different age groups. Whether it's Farida
नहीं,
ma'am, whether it's...
मुझे मैं बस यही the whole gist of it was last decade में जो movies हुए थे,
हाँ.
तो सारे characters को हम भी याद रखते थे.
Correct.
तो अभी क्या हो रहा है, या तो एक बंदे को याद रखो या उसके साथ जो बंदी है उसको याद रखो, है ना. कोई सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर हो गया, कोई वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन, उसको इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देते ही नहीं है ना.
आई थिंक जो हम कर रहे हैं ना गलतियाँ पे एज एन ऑडियंस, हमने हीरोइन की डेफिनेशन ही बहुत गलत समझा है. हमें लगता है कि somebody with more screen time is a heroine and somebody who does not have screen time becomes a supporting actor. But this was never said in any book or anywhere. If you personally ask me, I feel like कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखा है कि अगर आपका स्क्रीन टाइम कम हुआ तो आप हीरोइन नहीं रहे. हीरोइन तो हर, if you're a woman and you're playing a role, you're a heroine. If you're a man and you're playing a role, you're a hero. बस जो हमने एज एन ऑडियंस किया है ना कि somebody who's here on screen for 2 hours, लेकिन वो ना कम दिखा तो वो साइड एक्टर बन गया. यही माइंडसेट हमको चेंज करना है एज एन ऑडियंस. तब
तो
जाके
कम दिखने, क्यों कम दिखाना है? कम ही दिखाओ मगर इतना पावरफुल दिखाओ कि हम लोग याद रखें.
Yes, I agree with you.
हाँ,
Perfect.
क्योंकि कोई फादर रोल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है, उसको दो शॉट्स दे दिए, फिर उसके बाद नहीं आएगा वो कभी.
बस
कभी पूरे मूवी में नहीं आएगा वो.
Exactly. If you personally ask me, I loved the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Nawazuddin Siddiqui's
Oh my
character.
God.
Nothing, and nobody can redo what he did. And he did not have as much as screen time as Salman sir had.
Yes.
But again, both of them, they
But
played
he
such
marked
an
it
impactful
just
role.
right. Yeah. It was all, we remember Bajrangi Bhaijaan, मतलब बजरंगी ये है, भाईजान वही है.
वही है. तो वही जो बॉन्ड बन गया दोनों
Yes.
का, हम सब ने पूरा भारत रोया है वो देख के, because उसमें था वो पूरा
Very
film में
effective.
impact.
Yes.
So similarly कई सारे फिल्म है ऐसे कि अगर आपने एज एन एक्टर अपना 100% दिया ना, तो आपका स्क्रीन टाइम 2 मिनट का भी क्यों ना हो, आपको लोग याद रखेंगे ही जरूर. There was also a book about some actor. When I was in 10th standard, we had this in our English book, in our NCRT book. This whole story, I forget the name. It was about an actor who all he had to do was just read a newspaper. He does it in 3 different impactful ways. And everybody in the end of the day forgets everything but only that guy. Like, who is that guy? Why is he done just reading newspapers so nicely that you can never forget him?
Wow, yes.
So it's all about how you play your role, how creative can you get, and थोड़ा है थोड़े की ही ज़रूरत है.
हाँ, वही
ये
तो.
मन में रखना है. बस ये गाना भी तो था हिंदी में, थोड़ा है थोड़े की ज़रूरत है. अगर आपके पास इतना है तो आप इसको ऐसे कैसे बना सकते हो, ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है.
Okay.
तो बस
So you mean to say there is hard work,
100%
that you have to be hopeful,
massively.
and you should never expect anything from the industry.
Yeah, I don't expect anything from anyone.
Yeah, okay.
हाँ.
That's the basic rule. You have made it like,
yeah, my
no.
personal rule कि किसी से एक्सपेक्टेशन ही
मत
मत
रखो.
रखो तो खुशी रहोगे. किसी ने हाय बोले तो भी खुशी रहोगे क्योंकि एक्सपेक्ट तो आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं
हाँ,
था.
हाँ.
तो हाय आया तो वाह, हाय आ गया मुझे, ठीक है चलो बढ़िया. नहीं आया तो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया ही नहीं था, तो मैं खुश हूँ.
हाँ, ठीक
That's
है.
why I want to sleep happy in the end of the day. So, yeah.
Okay. So थोड़ी बहुत पढ़ाई तो करनी पड़ेगी हमें.
हाँ जी.
हाँ, पूरी की पूरी लाइफ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में अभी नहीं डाल सकते. It's little risky.
Right, at least
Yeah.
for me personally,
Mm.
I cannot. Like, I
Yeah.
don't have that kind of a foundation that I've laid yet, so where I can put my entire life into it. Hopefully someday I'll be able to, but today no, not at all.
What do you have to tell your younger self that now looking back and seeing that you've dreamt of it, all of this happened, what do you have to tell to yourself?
I would actually first give her a very tight hug, like the tightest possible
Awesome.
hug, and I'll tell her, stay.
Hang
Just
in there.
stay, yeah, hang in there. Do not leave. I mean, I know what you're thinking right now, but genuinely just don't leave. You have no idea what's ahead for you, and you will be grateful at the end of the day. Just heal yourself where you are, and let things go haywire, let things fail, let things go bad, but just stay where you are. As you said, hang in there. I think those 3 words speak for itself.
Wow, superb.
Yeah.
So what do you have to, if you have to tell something to your support system?
To my support
Here,
system.
yeah.
Here, okay.
Okay.
As in the ones who've been
Yeah,
there
been
with me.
there with you in all your ups and downs and all your journeys, all your campaigns. So what do you have to tell?
Just दिल से शुक्रिया. मतलब for the person I am, I think I feel like, and for the way they, all of them, everybody, you know, it's very difficult to name one person because there's so many people who've given their all just to see me smile, just to see me do a little thing. Even when I fail, I've seen their faces. It's the way they look at me even when I fail. They are so hopeful कि नहीं तेरा हो जाएगा, don't worry.
हाँ.
Just for that, दिल से शुक्रिया. And I don't know how to express gratitude without, for me, I'm a very emotional person in general. Everything comes with, for me, it comes with tears. That's how I express. So I think they know me for the person I am, and I just hope I do make them proud someday, and I do make them feel happy that उन्होंने जो भी sacrifice किया है, जो कुछ भी किया है, उसके लिए मैंने अगर 1% भी अगर वापस कर पाई तो I will be very grateful.
Wow, awesome.
So, yeah,
I wish you
thanks
all
for
the
the-
best. सारे wars जीत जाओ.
I-
जो भी unacceptable है उसको छोड़ दो. जो भी you want to do, just do it. That's all. So Simran, are you a spiritual person?
Yeah, completely. I
Oh.
believe in spirituality and I do follow it like very, very keenly. I enjoy it.
Okay. So tell me what we need to do in order to keep our minds stable with all the chaos that is happening outside, with all the competition that we feel that is my war.
Yeah.
Every war is my war. So yeah.
So it's very common nowadays.
Yes.
All of us feel it. All of us. I feel like to keep your mind stable, meditation is a very, very, very strong foundation in today's time.
Yes.
It's always been, but I think it's being more talked about in today's time. Meditation, journaling, gratitude journaling. I think this is something I started following a few months back. Gratitude journaling, and it's really, really changed my life. So it's basically at the end of the day, whatever good thing that has happened in your day, you put that in your journal. You journal it down basically. Anything good, even if it means I was sitting in the rickshaw today and a very sweet person came and greeted me and I liked his gesture. You might not know his name, write about it. It just makes you reflect back because a lot of times we reflect back mentally. But
Yes.
when you reflect back physically by penning it down, when the right time comes, you will look back at it and thank yourself. Like, okay, there are good things that has happened in my life. When you feel that life is not fair with me, open that journal. See the number of times life has been fair with you.
Correct.
Your whole perspective changes. And meditation as well. There are different forms of meditation. I follow the form of chanting. I follow the form of connecting spiritually with with an energy that's definitely strong enough to keep me calm. Music helps me. Different kind of songs. I feel meditation can be found there as well. And meditation is also just a state of mind at the end of the day. It's not only sitting and, of course, that is a part of it. I define meditation a little more differently. I feel nature is meditation. I find my comfort in that. Spirituality speaks about the same. अगर मानो तो सब कुछ, ना मानो तो कुछ नहीं. That's what spirituality keeps saying. So I look for that kind of calm. Where I find my calm, I'm spiritual at that point of time.
Oh, super.
So
Okay, so that is how you keep yourself stable, calm,
yeah.
away from the chaos,
Away from
yet
the
in the
chaos.
chaos.
Yet in the chaos.
Yes.
Very well put.
Superb. So when it comes to acting career, nutrition plays a very, very important role, right?
True.
So what we need to eat to look like an actor?
Now I feel like
Is there a thing like you eat this to look like someone?
you can't look like someone by eating this. You eat it because you feel healthy from inside.
Yes.
And if you're healthy from inside, that will reflect on the outside.
Okay.
So it's like that. Of course, what you eat is what you are, is what a lot of people say. And I believe in it as well. I think it's been about a few years, maybe 1 or 2 years since I've got like into this crazy fitness freak mindset slowly. Where I feel like I want to like be a certain shape and I like enjoying. I like being a certain shape. I'm not forced to. I don't say that if you're not in that certain shape, it's an issue. No, it's not. I just personally enjoy what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
So whether it's your fitness routine regularly, you're gymming, or whether you're jogging, it's exercise not necessarily have to be in the gym. This whole mindset कि gym करो तो you're fit, अगर कुछ और करो तो you're not fit is wrong. I feel like कितने सारे forms है to exercise. You can just be standing and walking at the same time. That is also a form of exercise. But it's about how active you are, staying on your toes throughout the day. So like there are like 5 pillars from what I know. You drink, you stay hydrated regularly, you consume the right amount of nutrition regularly, you prioritize your sleep, which is so important. Sleeping is like, people think it's like a casual thing. No, it's the most important thing.
Yes.
6 to 7 hours of sound sleep is very important for your body. So that, and then exercising regularly, staying active, and most importantly, staying fit from your mind.
Okay.
So if you have these 5 pillars, I think you're on a very strong base of fitness in general itself.
Superb.
So
you do all of that?
I try to follow it every day. To say do, it will be very not come out the right way. I try following it every day.
Okay. You so can you just tell us what you do in a day?
In a day.
Yeah.
So yeah, I wake up around 4:35 in the morning. I meditate. I love meditation, so I follow that. Followed by which I like hitting the gym and working out. I enjoy my morning sweat. I love sweating out in the morning. I feel like I'm taking out all of last night's stress through sweat in some way, and then I'm starting the day. So I like doing that. And then I'm back home going for a shoot or some kind of a work, whether it's a campaign shoot or a print shoot, some kind of work. So I'm packing my bag. Like every other girl, even I get late by that 10 minutes, and then Bhaiya is not picking the call to come and pick me on time. So that whole stress, we all go through it. So that. And then enjoying my work the whole day, coming back home, trying in again, finding some form of fitness, whether it's through yoga or a jog or something, just to keep myself more calm. I love sweating out. I feel that's my way of finding my calm in the chaos. And reading a book. I'm obsessed with reading books. I feel like that's my happy place. Watching a movie, reading a book or something, and back to hitting the sack, sleeping in the night.
Okay, superb. So what about you carry your dabbas or you eat out?
I do. I love ghar ka khana. I'm a sucker for home food.
Okay.
And I'm always carrying my ghar ka dabba everywhere, anywhere I go. I feel very happy if I have my home food in my bag. It's just this happy thing कि okay, अभी डब्बा खोलूंगी तो वो घर का स्वाद आएगा. So I love घर का खाना. Whether I make it, whether somebody else makes it, as long as it's coming from home, I'm fine. I'm just happy.
Super. Okay. So shoot पे जाती हो, कहीं पे धूप, कहीं पे स्नोफॉल या कहीं पे बहुत ठंड या कहीं पे पानी ही पानी. तो एक इंस्टेंस के लिए तो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू डू, क्या करना चाहिए ताकि हम लोग बच के रहें?
I think I remember I was in this one shoot. It was really cold. Like it was very good. Dialogues भी नहीं निकल रहे थे ना, मतलब नीले पड़ गए मेरे होंठ बोलते बोलते. Director is also laughing. He's like, ऐसे कौन डायलॉग बोलता है, ऐसे आप भी नहीं बोल पा रहे हो वो लाइन, मैं कहाँ से बोलूँ, सब ठंड में काँप रहा है. So I think at that point of time skin becomes very dry. So hydration 100%. I think it's a very underrated, at the same time overrated. Very ironic I'm saying this, but that balance. To some people say hydration is everything, and then we feel like no, it's an overuse statement, but it actually is everything. Because I remember I wasn't very hydrated that day, so my lips were getting cut, my skin felt a little dry. I didn't feel like it, even from inside, to deliver a dialogue. My eyes were like opening. It was really cold. It was -degree. That's why. So I think once I hydrated, once I had warm fluids, and another thing is also to make sure your skin is moisturized. That is something that I think I missed out that day, and I think that was an eye opener for me. कि वहाँ से शुरू करना है skincare, and then I did start like a very serious skincare regime. So I feel like making sure that your skin is moisturized throughout, hydrating throughout, and at the same time sipping something or the other, whether it's a warm coffee, whether it's warm water. Whether warm water is my personal favorite because it really keeps your body happy throughout.
Happy and also light.
You feel light. There's something, I don't know how to explain, when I'm having room temperature or cold water, I don't feel the bliss I feel with warm water going through down through my throat. So I think just staying hydrated, keeping your skin moisturized, having fruits and vegetables that are infused with water, that also helps your skin stay hydrated, whether it's garmi or thandi. These two things go hand in hand. It's hand in glove, because if it's very hot and you're still having food with water, your body stays hydrated, so you're not losing out on a lot of water. If it's very cold, your skin stays calm and supple if you're having that kind of food. So these few things like cucumbers, apple ho gaya, watermelon, these things have water infused. So
you have
like
to,
that. I try and follow that. It helps me.
Okay. आप कभी ऐसे वायरल डाइट या कुछ ऐसे फॉलो
I've tried a lot of them.
किया है? अच्छा,
किया है. I actually enjoyed it also, to be honest.
क्या किया है?
I tried keto for a while.
It's difficult, man.
It's difficult for sure. But I really felt light. I felt really active throughout the day. जो मैं खा रही थी, it wasn't like I was starving. I was just eating lesser carbs. That's all. So वो जो एक होता है ना, the macros, protein, fiber, fats and carbs. If that is balanced well, then no diet can go off. So I realized initially I was really finding it tough to lose weight because I was not balancing those macros. I was having foods which were like the inflammatory issue and things like that. I was doing a lot of that. Until later I realized that if you're having high volume foods with low calories, you're actually on the right page. You would not feel hungry. So I enjoyed a lot of them. I've tried keto, I've tried the 2MAD, OMAD, all of them. And they really do work actually, provided you make sure you're not hungry. Don't starve yourself. Just eat the right food with the right macros, and I think then you're good to go.
Yeah, you've done modeling also.
Right.
So कैसे ऐसे रहती है models? Tell me.
I think consistency.
My God, do they starve themselves? Do they overwork out?
I did interact with a model during one of my shoots where she really back in the day when I was trying to lose weight, this was she really had a lovely figure, like a wonderful figure. It was not even like she was malnutritious or something. No, she had a very good figure, but you could see and tell that she's putting in a lot of work to look like that. So she told me that there are certain days where you do starve yourself, not too much because that can play wrong on your body, but to a certain extent, yes, to look a certain way on camera. If you want a certain muscle of your body to show up a little more, to keep it tight and toned, you've got to starve yourself a little bit, is what she said. But on the contradictory, I still remember talking to another person on the very same day who said that it's not necessary to starve yourself as long as you're staying hydrated throughout the day. So she was following that kind of a liquid diet where she wasn't starving herself. She was actually infusing herself with a lot of liquid. But that kept her fit and stable for the day. So I think what your body takes as well.
Okay.
Every body responds to every diet in a different
way. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
So,
what has worked for you?
For me, I think having regular meals at regular intervals, but ensuring that they are high volume foods with lesser calories and they're more nutritious has really worked for me. And also I don't enjoy personally, also now I'm not a foodie anymore. I enjoy only ghar ka khana.
Okay.
So I don't know if it's the right thing to say, but I really do enjoy ghar ka khana. So I can eat the same thing every day and still not get bored of it. I enjoy it as long as I'm eating on time. Because when I get hungry, अगर खाना मिल जाएगा तो मैं खुश हूँ बस. जो भी हो खाने में. I like Karela. It's a contrary.
Even I like it. That's my favorite sabzi yaar.
मस्त लगता है. करेला का जूस हो, करेला की सब्जी हो. I like the bitter taste. It's very fun. So yeah. So it's what suits your body best.
Yes. So Simran, माल फंक्शनिंग हुआ है?
बहुत बार
ओह अच्छा,
मतलब बढ़िया वाला मैल फंक्शन हुआ है।
ओके।
तो एक है आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे, इट वाज अ सीन वे वी वांटेड इट टू लुक, मतलब नाइट शूट दिखाना था, हम नाइट से कर रहे थे, लेकिन वो जो पर्टिकुलर सीन था थोड़ा लेट हुआ शूट, द शूट स्टार्टेड वेरी लेट, सो वी इट वाज गोइंग बेसिकली इट वाज आई थिंक अराउंड 3:34 in the morning, it was slightly dark. Now all of us are stressed because that was the last day that we had that location in hand, and we had to finish it before 5 at least, because by 5 the color of the sky is definitely going to look like morning.
ओह
हमको
यस
रात ही
यस,
दिखाना है,
हाँ
तो वो
हाँ,
प्रेशर था हम पे। और उसमें क्या हुआ है कि आई हैव गॉट दिस सुप्रीमली टाइट पैंट, इट्स एक्सट्रीमली टाइट, लाइक जब आई एम सेइंग एक्सट्रीम ना, कोटेड 2000 उतना टाइट था,
ओह
बट वी डिडंट हैव एन ऑप्शन बिकॉज इट देयर वाज अ सर्टेन इशू दैट हैपेंड, कुछ फलाना ढिमकाना हुआ था, तो इसीलिए ये पहनना था। तो उसके बाद आई स्टिल रिमेंबर there was this one whole scene where I'm getting punched, I'm falling. That short film will come out soon.
ओह
So
ओके, हाँ
I'm falling down and everything, and then I have to get up, I have to fight back, and again sit, cry. It was a whole array of
ओके
things.
ओके,
Time was very like we were running out of time. So at one point the director said, "देखो ये एक final take में होना है. It was already 4:30. हमको ऑलरेडी बहुत बहुत मुश्किल से थोड़ा चीटिंग करके वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक इट लुक डार्क, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, 5 o'clock को समझ में आएगा, इट्स एन ओपन एयर शूट। तो आई हैव फॉलन डाउन एंड माई पैंट हैज torn in the wrong place, and that nobody knows.
oh my
And it's
god,
a one time take, I'm in the middle of the scene.
okay,
Ab if I react, we are running out of time, so nothing can happen. If I stop the scene, we'll have to redo the entire thing, because this was not a OTS where it was a one take, it was a complete take, it was a master
Okay.
shot, and we had to finish it off.
okay,
एंड वी रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, आई एम लुकिंग एट द स्काई, आई एम सेइंग मैं क्या करूँ, अगर ज़्यादा चलूँगी तो दिखेगा कैमरे पे वेरी एविडेंटली कि मेरा मैल फंक्शन हुआ है, और जब मैं गिरी हूँ तो वो फटने का साउंड भी आया है, तो माई को एक्टर्स ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू स्टॉप लाफिंग, एवरीबडी इज कंट्रोलिंग, यू नो, एवरीबडी इज वेरी सीरियसली ट्राइंग टू प्ले दैट रोल। और जैसे हमने ऐसे तैसे करके वी हैव डन दैट सीन, डायरेक्टर हैज शाउटेड कट, इंक्लूडिंग द डायरेक्टर, वी हैव ऑल फॉलोन डाउन एंड लाफ्ड लाइक maniacs. We looked like little children in the candy store, complete crazy children laughing our hearts out. It was very funny, that's why. तो फिर ठीक है उसके बाद, but I think during the scene what I have gone through, that हलचल, that roller coaster feeling, मुझे लगा खत्म, आज मेरी वजह से सब लोग सुनाने वाले हैं अगर मैंने रिएक्ट किया तो। It was very funny. I think I still remember the sound of that tearing, the way it tore also, the way I felt, the way my eyes popped and I had to still stay in character. I think it was challenging, but it was also funny.
Wow,
I think people still, you know, we all, whenever we sit in groups and laugh, we quote that incident and laugh. It's become a very nice memory. Maybe if I had reacted the other way, it would not have been a very good memory to talk about. But ठीक है, all's well that ends well. Oh yeah.
सुपर।
So I still remember. Yeah.
तो तुम अभी बोल रही हो को एक्टर्स थे, बहुत
हाँ।
सारे लोग थे, सो हाउ इज द सर्कल व्हेन इट कम्स टू दिस इंडस्ट्री? इज इट ट्रू एक तुम्हारी सर्कल्स वहाँ पे मीनिंगफुल होते हैं, या फिर इट्स ऑल लाइक वेरी शैलो, हाई बाय तक ही रहते हैं?
हाँ, कुछ रिलेशनशिप्स हाई बाय तक ही रहते हैं, और वैसे ही रहना भी चाहिए, नहीं तो व्हेन यू गेट टू पर्सनल इट बिकम्स वेरी थिंग्स गो आउट ऑफ।
नहीं, थोड़े तो ऐसे भी तो रहना है ना कि वहाँ पे भी तो सपोर्ट चाहिए
हाँ,
यार।
कुछ रिलेशनशिप्स ऐसे भी होते हैं where the camaraderie is just beautiful, like it is exquisite, it is genuine, it's coming from the heart, and it's how do I explain, it's a fantastic dynamic, everything, you know, some
superb.
relationships, and that's how it should be also. I still because at the end of the day, somebody who completely understands you, friends who know what you're going through should be also should go through them themselves to be able to stay in your shoes, or to even step into your shoes. So some bonds are very real and genuine, and I think it stays for a long time, especially for me, if you ask me personally, the friends I've made in my acting school, when we went to acting school, I think that bond stays till date, and touch wood, I hope it always stays, because it's the way we are with each other, it's the way we can be vulnerable in front of each other, yet at the same time,
Yes.
you know, we can also be our best selves in front of each other,
Yes, support each
unapologetically
other
being
and
us.
be there.
Yeah, stand like a support system.
Wow,
So
super.
yeah, but this whole conception which people have now, that two co-actors, especially of the same gender, don't get along, I think that is not true.
Okay.
It's not true. Yeah, so many of my friends are of the same gender. It's not just
Okay.
opposite sex, and I think yeah, I mean, a lot of people think that there's
They
no
get along
ambiguity
really
between two
well.
people. No, it's very much there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, obviously, no, they're of the same age, same
Yeah.
thing. Yeah.
Correct. Same industry.
Same
you
industry,
will connect with
yes.
each other. That thing is, I think, very. It's a stereotype now. Ki two girls won't get along because they're insecure of each other and all that. I didn't experience that. Yeah.
Superb. Then things are changing, Simran.
Things are changing. That's what I said. na
Yes.
tab.
Yes. Okay. So what would you tell your um to the people who will see you with the crown?
Right. Right.
So tell me your message to them. Like you're standing there, you're there already, and people are vouching for you. And what is your message to them?
Right. I think my message would be the same as what I said on the stage as the answer for that crown.
Hmm.
When I was asked what inspires me every day, and I feel like every day should inspire you, is what I said then. And I'd say that to everybody even today, that no matter how your day goes, no day is perfect, nobody's life is perfect, all of us have problems. It's about how we react to those problems that will actually help us find our own peace or our own solace at the end of the day. So again, let every day be the way it is. You stay the same. You stay consistent. Let you be your own biggest cheerleader. Don't depend on anybody to cheer for you.
So,
Fail, it's on you. You
Yes.
succeed, that's also on you. If you take it that way, then I think everything
Yes.
is a peaceful
that
path.
is
So
true. Yes.
just stay there, hang in there. What I told my younger self is what I would tell everybody, and what I keep telling myself even now. Hang in there, and you will find the light in the end of the tunnel.
So motivational, man. So nice. Very sweet. Thank you. Thank you for giving your time today.
Thank you so
अम्मू,
much.
मैं तुम्हारे स्केड्यूल या कॉल शीट्स को डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रही हूँ.
अरे
आई
अरे
होप सो.
बाबा कुछ नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
सुपर. सो सिमरन, हमारे पास थोड़े गेम्स हैं यार.
हाँ.
वील प्ले
अरे
दोस.
बढ़िया चलो.
तो यू विल हैव फन देयर
हाँ.
एंड वील गेट यू.
चक दे पट्टे. हाँ, ये रैपिड फायर में बड़ा फायर रहने वाला ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे.
So Simran, I have few fun segments for you. One is rapid fire. I'll be asking you a question and quickly you'll have to answer. Okay. First is stage or camera.
Camera.
Okay. Makeup or bare face.
Bare face.
Favorite co-actor.
Favorite co-actor. It would have to be. Actually, there was this very cute puppy who played a very sweet role with me on camera when we were doing a montage shoot.
Okay.
And I was very scared of that particular breed till we actually shot a scene. So I think that would have to she would have to be my favorite co-actor. She
A
was
puppy.
a puppy.
Superb.
She was very cute. Her name was Blenda, and she was very, very cute and friendly.
Wow,
So
superb.
yeah.
One film role you would love to play.
I think Gangubai Kathiawadi really inspired me.
Yes.
The way she played her role. And even for the Miss India Cinema Queen, when I was asked to dress up like a character, I dressed up as Gangubai Kathiawadi.
Wow.
She really, really, I mean, of course, I look up to Alia Bhatt for the way she played it. And
Yes.
even if I would do 1% of what she did, I'd be very grateful. That role was very close to my heart.
Very nice. Very nice. Script or spontaneity.
Spontaneity. Yeah.
Okay. Heels or sneakers.
Heels. I'm a heel girl. I love my heels.
Oh,
so,
okay.
yeah.
Superb. Your dream collaboration would be.
My dream collaboration, I don't have a dream collaboration as such. Anything that comes my way, actually. I'm enthusiastic for it, so anything.
A role you would say no to.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Anything, anything that comes my way.
Oh,
Yeah.
super. Love or fame?
If you love what you do, you would eventually find it, so love.
You're being diplomatic here, huh?
That is me in general, no?
No risky talks.
That is me in general only.
Okay. Who would be your dream director?
My dream director would have to be Karan Johar, probably.
Karan Johar. Okay. One word for the industry today.
One word for the industry today, life-changing.
It's the fill in the blank segment. There's a blank after a sentence. You'll have to fill it up. Okay?
Sure.
So acting isn't just glamour, it is
Acting isn't just glamour, it is consistency.
consistency. Okay. People think pageants are easy, but
But that's not the case at all.
nepotism may exist, but I believe
In staying true to what you're doing and put in all your efforts
the stage taught me
to express and to be vulnerable,
being young in the industry means
to learn and to ensure that you keep learning irrespective of your age,
the crown taught you.
to stay humble and to have beauty with a cause and a purpose.
Okay, super. Your first audition felt like
Felt like, I'd have to say, a climax of a very sad fairy tale. Yeah, I was so scared. I was like,
yes.
I was so lost. I was like Alice in No Wonderland. So, no, the first audition was like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
If not acting, you would be.
I would be a model. I mean, I would still be here.
You'd still be in the same.
Yeah, I still keep trying to apply
Okay.
for acting. So
Super. And confidence means to you.
to stay true to yourself and to unapologetically be yourself.
Hmm.
Just be yourself. Don't change.
Super.
Yeah.
So that is that. I have one more question for you. 5 things you do with your eyes.
5 things I do with my eyes.
Yeah.
I cry.
You do or people do to you?
Okay.
I need a little bit of sauce and drama here.
Okay. So one's the wink.
Okay.
Another one's that.
Okay.
I love doing that with my eyes. It's fun. Another one's crying. We all cry with our eyes. We flirt.
ताड़ना?
हाँ ताड़ तो हम सब ताड़ते हैं भाई
वही तो,
सबको ताड़ना
वही
चाहिए
तो, हाँ.
ताड़ते बहुत हैं हम लोग if you have a nice
Okay.
candy in any form in front of you ताड़ो
ताड़ो.
So, ताड़ने की चीज़ है तो the way Ranveer Singh says in Rocky Rani
Yes, yes.
right so that and I question with my eyes a lot like I question a lot like
Okay.
That.
You're very expressive with your
हाँ
eyes.
I love yeah
Superb.
right
So that is that.
that is that
Superb. Nicely done. Thank you, Simran, for your time and
Thank
for
you so
being here,
much.
for considering this. How did you feel?
I think I felt very natural. I felt like you brought out the most, those innocent, the little Simran in me kept speaking more through the questions. So you
Okay.
brought out that side. I'm very grateful to you for
Superb.
that.
Yeah,
And I
superb.
felt very home-like. I was not at all out of place. I was comfortable.
Superb. So that's the whole intention. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you
That's
so
Simran
much.
for you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.